Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Acharya. We will wait for 5 more minutes, then we will start our session. Hello everyone, we will wait for 5 more minutes, then we will start. Meanwhile, if you are having any queries or questions, feel free to write in the chat box. Hello everyone, please write in the chat box if we are audible. If I am audible, please write in the chat box. Okay. Welcome Ansh, welcome Durgesh. Okay, if anybody is there, please write your name or give your identity so that we can understand that you are here. We will start in 2 minutes. Let me invite uh, the expert speaker, Bhut. Uh,
Hello.
Om, let's begin with the
Hello,
session.
hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Om.
Oh,
Yeah, you can
yes.
share your screen and we'll start. So agenda of this
Okay.
session is first of all you will get the I mean we'll do the brush up of the pandas data frames, how to create the how to import the panda, how to work with the data frames, right? We will see its different operations on the panda library, exploratory data analysis, and we'll see some if else elif kind of stuffs, for loop stuffs. And once we complete the brush up, then we will start with the uh, question and answer. The last year previously asked questions we will be discussing. Is this good? Interested?
Yes, yes, sir.
So meanwhile, any queries, questions, feel free to ask here in the chat box. So please go ahead, Om.
Sir, let's confirm means in which particular topic they're having doubts. So we'll proceed further with the same
Okay.
topics. We'll not waste time on other topics. So,
Sure, sure, sure. So viewers, if you are having any doubt in Week 3, you can post it in the chat box right now itself, so that accordingly Om will act. Okay, so that we can save our time and we can discuss and focus more on this stuff only.
yeah, let's take 5 minutes for
Right in the chat
the.
box.
Yeah.
Yeah. Meanwhile, Om, you just if you want to share, we are having
Yes, yes,
11
sir.
viewers right now. Yeah.
Is there visible?
Yes, it will come. It will come.
Okay, okay.
Yes, now it's visible.
Okay, okay, sir.
Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let's others to join. Dear students, this session definitely will help you to crack the exam and to brush up your concept on week number 3 of NPTEL SWAYAM course of Python for data science. So I repeat again, this is week 3 Python for data science course. We are going to brush up the concept of week 3 and we'll be discussing the different questions and answers which already asked in the previous years, right? And
Yes.
the expert Om Booth has created number of questions for you, so definitely it will help you to crack the exam and to get the good score in the exam. So uh, let me hand it over to Om. Go ahead, Om,
Yes,
please.
yes, sir. Yeah. So before starting the session, let me please do tell me that in which particular topic you all are having doubts, which topic you need to solve. Please write in comment section
So
means
we are
which
having
particular
more
topic you
than
need a revision for.
we are having more than 10 viewers, so that's great. So okay, meanwhile, spend some 1 minute time, go through with the course. If you want to learn something, you can write it over here so that it will help us and we can manage time on that part only. Anybody? Yes, Ansh, Durgesh.
If
I
you want
forget the name
revision, then
of
we'll
the
provide
black
revision.
belt.
Else we'll start for IPONB directly. Cyber security.
No, right now we are focusing on the Python for data science. Anyways, uh,
Yes, sir.
start question. Okay, anybody? Do we need to start directly question? Anybody? Do we need to start directly questions and
Okay,
answer, or
cool.
do you
If
want uh, some brush up? Okay, just 30
directly
second.
question.
Let's wait
Okay,
for
okay.
30
Yeah,
more
definitely,
seconds.
sir. Okay, okay, sure, sir.
Yes, Durgesh, Black Panther. Any other brush up is good for revision. Okay. So, it would be better if we go through with the quickly brush up of pandas, and then we will
Brush
start
up
with
is good.
the.
Okay.
Yeah, it would be better. I
Yeah.
mean, they may see the different concept of pandas, if possible, data visualization, and then we will quickly start with the uh, uh, question answer. Is it good?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Sure, sure. Please go ahead.
Quick
Now,
revision.
myself,
You
I'm
need
going.
whole over revision or pandas? Can we do like small revision? What is discovered in week three? Yeah, definitely, sure. Week three means one data frame, uh, control structure, EDA, visualizations. What do you need? You need a whole over revision for all of them because if I take particular topic in detail, it will go in deep and it will take around 1 or 2 hours for each of the topics. And to finish up everything in small is not possible. So tell me whatever doubts you are having, I'll clear it up over here. Means in whichever topics you are lagging off, I'll clear it over here. Can we do like? Please write in comment section. Meanwhile, I'll start for pandas data frame and all. A quick revision for it. So my screen is visible, right?
Your screen is visible.
Yeah. So what is data frame? The pandas data frame is a two-dimensional tabular data frame with rows and columns. Data frame, yeah, visible. Okay. The data frame method is used to create a data frame and has following parameters like data index, column, data type, means D type, uh, and input data. How to create a data frame? You can just create a data frame like a dictionary itself. I'll show you an example. Where is NumPy? Okay. Name is Om. We have given name. Age is default and okay. Okay. So this is a dictionary, and to convert this particular thing into data frame, what we'll do is we'll write as pd.dataframe will means we have created an alias of pandas as pd, and then after what we'll do is we'll create an df as a variable, and in which we'll store as pd.dataframe of data, where data over here is dictionary, and then after we are converting this particular dictionary into data frame. So now uh, let me print this particular thing initially. Okay, dot oops, sorry. Okay, it's printing a dictionary, right? And what this df will print is, it will print a data frame. See, there is a huge difference between printing a dictionary and printing a data frame. It's just, see, I hope it is visible.
Yes, it's visible. It's visible.
Yeah, okay, okay. So continuing further with next thing, just a second. How to access the things in from the data frame. It is been accessed using ilock and lock. What is the main difference between ilock and lock is, anyone? Please write in comment section. Students, anyone? Okay, I'll tell. The main difference between ilock and lock is, lock is a label based indexing. You select rows and columns by their names, means the labels. The syntax of lock is, let's suppose we have a data frame df, and in which we are using a lock, and then after we need to access some rows and some columns. Okay, df dot lock. Okay, what this will do is, this will, let me print it. Okay, this will go at zeroth index, which is name, means for the name it will go for zeroth index, which is o. And what if I do 1 over here? Oops, it will print Snehal. So basically we are giving a row what we need to access, and the column from where we need to access. Okay, and what does an iloc says is, iloc is an integer based indexing. You select rows column by their integer position, like a list and a list indexing. Okay, um I'll give an example over here itself. Where is df.lock? Yeah, print df.iloc. Yeah, see, it is also printing Snail just because it is taking the first value of zeroth index. Means here name is at zeroth index, and it is taking the first value from this particular list. Means both of the things over here are indexing. One will take Snehal from the column 0, which is name. I hope you got the difference. I'll write the difference over here. label based indexing, and iloc is integer based indexing. Got it? Any of the doubts yet? Okay, there are few doubts. I don't know. Please explain. What do you don't know? So basically, index location and label location lock of the shell. Yeah, yeah, correct. Durgesh, correct. Got it. No doubt. Okay, clear. Next, what should I cover after data frame? Sir, it is old. Okay, okay, yeah. Actually, I didn't saw that. Any more thing that should I cover? I get clear. Okay, okay. Means
Actually,
after data frame,
Ansh
what
was
should I cover?
asking about lock or iLock, so it was
Yeah,
old
yeah, sir, I
comment
covered.
actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, Next, what should I cover? Actually, if I cover EDA, it is a big topic actually. It contains 4 to 5 sub modules in it. Pandas series, Pandas data frame. Actually, series is a tabular thing, and data frame. Data frame is a tabular thing, and series is like an array. A series is like an array, and a data frame is like a tabular data in like Excel. Then after key characteristics of series is one decimal. A series is a single column of data. Just like I told, it's an array type of thing. Label indexing. Each value in a series is associated with a label, which can be used to access the value. Means likewise, how we are assigning name, and then after we are assigning the names to that particular variable. Likewise, X array. You mean ND array? N dimensional array? Some important SWAYAM topics. Actually, all over the thing which has been provided in SWAYAM, the names are all important. Means like Panda, data frame one, data frame two. Means the lecture one is data frame one, the lecture two is data frame two. Then after EDA, then after data visualization. Actually, I prefer that do not focus on data visualization much because it might won't be asked that much. Uh, I guess Black Panther, you are Milan. What was the name, sir? Sir,
Milan. I think
Milan. Yeah,
yes.
I'm not getting what you are telling.
Milan. We are not getting what you are asking. X array, then panel, or would you please elaborate? Meanwhile, Ansh, we will go next. Dear.
Sir,
Sir,
this
it is
MCQ
MCQ
based.
based exam, so
So yeah, actually, listen, Milan.
what?
It is MCQ based exam, so data visualization question is low. Yeah, definitely. The data visualization question is almost negligible because they will not ask much questions because they'll focus on pandas, numpy, and likewise questions. Rather than focusing on data visualization topics, they'll focus on pandas and numpy and all. So if you are thinking that you should continue for data visualization for NPTEL, I prefer do not focus much on data visualization. Yeah, you should need to cover the topics that are been taught in week 3, because there is only one session, I guess. Now there is two sessions of data visualization, part one, part two, in week 3, and then after there is no session for that particular thing. So what do I think is there might not be much questions of it. And try to cover date pandas and numpy for week 3. And if you are focusing on Python topics for final exam, it will be a bit good because it might be containing 70 to 80% of the syllabus. And week 4 will contain full ML topics, which might be around 20 to 30% in exam. Yet not sure, it's not a fixed number that it will be 20 to 30% only. It might be 20 to 30%, not fixed. It might be around 50% too. It depends on the paper style.
Milan is
Yes.
saying series data frame. So do one thing quickly. Do you have any data sets so that we can import and we can play with this? Is it
Sorry, sir.
my voice is clear?
I yes, sir. But I didn't got you.
Ha. Uh, I'm saying Milan is saying series data frame and all. So 5 to 10 minutes. Do you have any data set so that we can import and we can fetch
Um,
the data? Is there any
Let me
data
check.
set?
Actually, I don't have, but let me check. But what can I do is I'll just do this thing. Uh, we can play with our own data set. Let's create our own particular thing. So is the things visible? Shall I zoom it or hello, sir? Hello. No, sir. It is visible. Okay. Yeah. So let's first create a series. S equals to yeah.
Yeah. Am
S
I
equals
audible?
to
No.
yes, yes, sir. So here
Yeah. Yeah.
we are
Please
having a
go ahead. Go ahead.
series. Here we are having a series and we are printing it. Let's see what is an example. So what we have done over here is 1, 2, 3, and 4 is our value of the series. And where we are storing this 1, 2, and 3 and 4 is we are storing 1 at A, 2 at B, 3 at C, and 4 at D. So this is how the series is been created. And the data frame I showed you how it has been created. And let's go into it more. Let's suppose we are having this particular thing as our series. What will happen? Can we convert this data into series? The data is the dictionary data into series. Is it possible? dd dot, let's see, series data, print here. Yeah, it is even possible. We can convert a dictionary into series also. Then after a scalar value with special index. Let's suppose we are doing like this: s equals to, just a second. Yeah, so let's suppose we are doing this thing like s equals to pd dot series, and what we're doing is doing 10 at index. So what will be the output of this? Anyone would try to answer? Please do write answers in comment section. Students, do write answers in comment section. All assigned 10. Anyone more? Yeah, it was correct. All of this particular thing will assign 10. Since this is a single value which will assign to each and every particular variable over here. Let's proceed further. Uh, let's create a numpy array. What we're having is what is the code? Yeah, array equals to np dot array. Oops, sorry. This, and then after we'll convert this particular thing into series, and let's print it. Before this, I need to import a numpy. Import numpy as np. What would be the result of this? What would it be the output of this print s? Students in comment section, please. Anyone? So okay, it's taking a longer time, so I'll execute it faster. So it will assign 0 to 1, 1 to 2, because there is no initial numbers that we are giving over here. Like maybe all assigned with null values. No, there will be no null values, because we are giving the values over here, like starting from 1 till 4, which is a numpy array. And here we are not assigning that which number is assigned to which variable. So default it will take numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will not return a null value. Okay. Assigning data in series means, can we assign data into series by position, by label, anything? Let's try this. Let's access first. Print from s, we want to print 0th element. Yeah, it is printing. Let's change the thing. Yeah, let's take this one. Let's suppose we are having this as a data frame. Then after we are doing print, see what it will print. Students, what this particular print statement will print according to this series. Students, please do write answers in comment section. 24. Are you sure? 24, Durgesh? Om and Snell. Yeah, it is correct. It will print Om and Snell just because the index 0 is name. Why? Why? It will no not be Om 24. It will be Om and Snail just because we are having the values at zero. The values at zeroth index is Om and Snail means it is been stored in name variable and it is at zeroth index. Then after it will access age. Let's suppose what we do over here is instead of 0 we'll write 1. It will print 24, 25. So here it is not accessing this particular element. Here it is itself accessing name which is at zeroth index, age which is at index 1, and then after another data which are furthermore. So it will not access the things inside the name. If you want to access the things inside the name, we can even write like this. So it will access only one, only the first element, right? Oh, I got it. Yeah, yeah. So the next is label means like we done over here. We can do the same thing using labels also. We can give the values which we want to insert in it, and then after we can give the index where the values we need to insert. Okay. After this, there is slicing topic. All of the things are the same like list and all the things. So there is not much difference over here. Filling missing values has been uh, done by fill na. Let's suppose there is some missing values in your pandas data frame. What can you do is you can just fill that particular value with fill na. This is the uh, thing of eda. This is the part of ed, exploratory data analysis. It is a part of it where you need to fill the missing values, which means if you are having some missing values or incorrect data, you can directly not change that particular value. You need to first have a talk with your seniors, and then after a discussion you can proceed further with the ETA process. Means rather you need to remove that null values, or you need to fill that particular null values with mean, median, mode. Usually mean is been preferred instead of other particular thing because the maximum occurring values or the average of all the values is been preferred rather than filling all the missing values with some random data or considering it removing. So I guess filling missing values has also been cleared. Yeah, we can fill that missing values using a function called fill na. Let's suppose there is some missing values over here in data. I don't think so this will execute because if I will give some missing values away, it will give me an error. So for that, we need to take pandas data frame, an Excel file or else a CSV file. So which we will not take right now, but I will show you uh, how to read that particular thing. So we can read as df equals to pd dot read underscore csv for CSV file, and df equals to pd dot read underscore excel for some excel file, df equals to pd dot read underscore json for some json file, df equals to pd dot read underscore html. Even you can read the html file. Reading an html file is important for web scraping. Let's suppose sometime you are doing some web scraping directly, you are taking the data from websites. There you can use the html format, means read underscore html. Before using read underscore html, you need to take the network keys of that particular url. I'll show you net if possible. Wait. Let me check. Actually, you need to go in the network session, and there you will get some URL. You need to copy that particular thing, and then you can paste it over here, and then after you will get all the data of that particular website. Means you can scrap that whole over thing using indexing and slicing. Okay, means if you are having the access to any particular website, you can just do some indexing and slicing by using the classes and IDs in the web page. Means if you have ever visited to any of the websites in spec page, there you will get some code. That code will show you at which particular place which classes has been used. So according to that particular classes, you can access the data from that website, and not only the single data. Means accessing one data at a time. You can access whole of website's data at a single click. So the read underscore HTML has been used at that place. So yeah, this is the, so we can also get data from HTML. So yeah. You can get the data from HTML, but getting the data from HTML is a bit tedious task. Means you first need to access the website. Means before accessing the website, you can't get the data from any of the website HTML pages. You need to go in network session. At that, you will get a link according to your device. It depends on Windows and MacBook. The different means there are different URLs for both of the devices. You need to copy it that to your code. You need to give assign it to a variable. Then after you need to connect it. After connecting it, you need to parse something to that particular page, and then after you will get to access the data. So don't worry, if I'm doing the sessions, I'll even guide you for the same. If there is a pandas lecture in future, or else ML and DS lecture in future, there will be definitely explanation of this particular thing also. Any more doubts, or should I proceed further with the question? Sir, should I proceed further with the questions, or
Yes, students, any queries, questions? Do we need to brush up? I mean, if you are having any doubt, then right now you can post it. Ansi is saying online website also exploit. Yes, yes, of course. Web scraping. Through the web scraping, we can find so many details. So we can also get data from HTML. So yes, yes, Ansh. Okay. Any queries? Question?
web
Do we need?
scraping through pandas
Yes.
is web scraping through Python is very easy. No, sir.
Just a minute. Oh, I will create a poll and we'll start.
Okay, okay, sir.
Uh, okay, let's begin with the uh,
Okay, okay.
question answer.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, let me share my top fans today. Durgesh is number one. Black Panther number 2, Hans Dolakia is number 3. Thank you. Great.
Yeah, so sir, I hope the screen is visible.
Just a minute, let me check. Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah, okay. So shall we proceed further with the first question?
Yes, little bit. Okay. Uh, it's if is it visible, everyone? Screen is visible. Yeah, it's visible. Go ahead. Oh,
Okay.
explain the question so that they can understand, and then let them answer, and then we will
Okay.
explain the question and answer.
Okay. So we are having a data frame over here if it is visible. I think yes, it is visible clearly. Yeah, it is visible clearly. So we are having a data frame which consists of car name, type, brand, price, and here we are having some indexes of it. So what does the question says is which of the following will fail with an error and why? We are having some of the answers. I mean, some of the things to be executed will fail with an error. Means which of these will give an error? Please do tell me.
You can write in the chat box A, B, C, D. Okay. Let me write in there.
Sir, I guess. Sorry, sir. I guess the poll is still visible.
Okay. Wait. And poll. And now it is question number 1. Please answer for the question number 1. Are you getting the question number 1?
Any answers? Students, any answers? C.
C we are getting.
What is
Let's
C? And why also? Not only the option, even the reason.
Durgesh is saying B for Bombay. Black Panther Chen the option B.
C.
Now B for Beta. C only Ansh Dolakia.
Okay, B. Got it, got it, B. Yeah, the B is correct answer. Please do explain why B. Okay, no worries, I'll tell. B fails because ilog expects row position, not labels. Okay, so I'll highlight B over here. Proceeding for indexer out of range. Yeah. While proceed further with question 2, what is it says is suppose df underscore car type has missing values. You decide to impute them with the with the mode. Mode value equals to df cars type dot mode, and we're having one more line of code which is filling missing values with mode values, and in place equals to true means that there will be no copy being created of this particular data. It will be the changes will be made in the same particular data. What we need to do is what will happen if df underscore card type has two categories tied for highest frequency. So according to the option, please give the answers.
Question number
Two, sir. Question number two.
two. Two. Is it visible on the screen?
I'll zoom it a bit, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, now it's good.
Is it
Perfect.
visible?
Yeah, now it's perfect.
Okay.
Okay, students, question number two. Out of range, index error.
Sir, it was the old one, I guess.
No, just now I just typed question two, but I hope. Okay, students, what will be the answer? A, B, C, D. Please write in the chat box. Okay, let's go and explain
With the
so that.
answer? Okay,
Yeah.
there is an answer. E.
No, C,
Durgesh,
C.
it's correct. Durgesh, it's incorrect. What does the C says is pandas will fill with series instead of a single values. B error. Yeah, correct. Correct. Milan, correct. B will throw an error. Yeah. Pandas will throw an error. B is correct. Durgesh, just go through the concepts of pandas and numpy again because I think the concepts are not clear. I'll proceed further with question three. What does it says? Just a second. Yeah. What question three says is we are given an code and what surprising issue might occur here and why. In short, we need to find an error. Just try it up. Return a series, not a single value. Okay, Milan, are you texting for question number three?
No, no. Question number two, I guess. He was saying about question number two.
Okay. Okay. So here is question number three. Please give an answer. Is there any answer or should I proceed further?
Let's wait for 10 more seconds. 10 to
Sir,
20
better
seconds.
it might be let's give a timer alarm of 10 to 15 seconds after every question.
Okay, okay.
So there will not be much waiting for every questions.
Okay, so I will play the drum, okay?
Yeah, sure. D. Okay, any more answers? Any more answers? Or is there only Milan in live stream? Yeah, anyways, I don't think so. Others are interested for giving the answers. So yeah, D is the correct answer. It raises a set with copy warning and may or may not update df underscore pass. Proceeding further with question number 4. What it says is, which of the following guarantees a deep copy of df underscore cars type such that modifying it will never affect the original data frame? Means we are creating a deep copy in such a way that if you modify the original data frame, then the copy created will never be affected. Sorry, the original will never be affected if you are doing any other changes in copy. Answers, please.
Try to understand question, dear all, and try to answer. And if you stuck somewhere, ask home to explain.
Yeah.
Resolve, solve your doubts if you are having. And trust me, who are here right now and who are giving the answer, I'm sure
Uh,
you will get the good
A.
result.
Any more
A.
answers?
Durgesh is saying A.
Any more answers? Okay, okay. There is only A. I should proceed further. Yeah, A is the correct answer. Yeah, but A is correct. Yeah. Proceeding with question 5. I think it is. Yeah, it will fit. Yeah. Multi-indexing confusion. There is a code. What you need to do is, which of the following will succeed and why? So among the options, which of the option will be correctly executed? You need to check it and also tell why it will be correctly executed. Here, I'm providing you the questions that you need to solve. For sure, in exam there might not be compiler, but you can do mentally, and yeah, trust me, there will be questions, lengthy questions which you need to solve in paper instead of solving it in compiler. It will take a much of time, but you need to do. So it is a better practice to solve it over here and try it to solve without compiler. Try if you are not getting the things, then I'll write the answers in IPONB itself. Sir, shall I write the answers in IPONB?
Yes, yes, please. I hope they are stuck somewhere. So it would be great if you explain and write so that they can understand.
Okay.
Because
So the
today
options, the answer is yes, sir.
C key error. Black Panther is saying.
C key error. Correct. Because C is only the incorrect option, rest all are the correct one. I'll quickly explain the thing. D. No, Durgesh, D is correct. A, B, and D is correct. C is incorrect. I'll explain it. Wait. In multi-dimensional index, passing a single label, toy, select all rows where the first level brand matches toy. This works and returns both sedan and MVUs. We were having some data of toys in sedan. Correct? So it will return both toys, sorry, sedan and MUVs. Uh, in option B, DF multi.log toy and sedan. Here we provide a tuple matching all levels. Okay, what we are doing is we are providing a tuple containing toy and sedan. It will match all the levels, means brand as toys and types as sedans. Okay, and thereafter 3, as Milan told, it will return a key error. Correct. So it will not be considered as the answer. And what is option D says is multi dot access sedan and level equals to type. What dot access says is it's a cross section. Lets you slice by a specific index level. Okay. This selects all rows where type equals to sedan. And it will select all the rows where type is given as sedan. Okay. So according to this particular explanation, the correct answers are A, B, and D. So C is a key error. Okay. Sir, shall we proceed with next question?
Yeah, of course. Good, great, thanks. And let me tell you, today our stars are joined here. Okay, so
Oh, great.
and yeah, they are here and they are working hard, but
Mm-hmm.
probably they are stuck today somewhere. And I hope
Okay.
they will definitely get something out from this session so that they can get the good result.
Yeah, yeah,
Good,
definitely, sir.
good, good. Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. So proceeding further with question 6, I guess it's a bit of lengthier question. Let me minimize the screen a bit. Yeah, is it visible right now?
Question number, which one?
Yeah. Sir,
S-
question 6.
Six, no? Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. Uh, Please do tell me the answer. We are having a code which says df equals to pd.data frame contains a dictionary of x as 10, 20, 30, and indexes 1, 2, and 3. What it will return?
Try to understand and give the answer. Don't worry about wrong answer, okay?
Instead of writing the full answer, you can even write the option number. It's okay.
Yeah, A, B, C, D likewise.
Yeah. Any answers? There any updates?
We are not getting any answers. Please go ahead and explain.
Okay. So the answer will be A. 1 will contain nan value, 2 will contain the value of 10, 3 will contain the value of 20. Just because we are starting the indexing from 1, so what, yeah, yeah, Milan, correct. So what 1 will store is 10, what 2 will store is 20, just because uh, we are not starting with the zeroth index. If we might writing as 0, 1, 2, then 0 will be 10, 1 will be 20, and 2 will be 30. So currently what we are storing index equals to 1 to 3 is index 1 will store the value of 10, index 2 will store the value of 20, index 3 will store the value of 30, right? And we are accessing the things till 2 just because we are having 3 values. Correct? Shall we proceed further with next question?
Yes, so
Okay. EF dot group by brand, uh, price in likes dot transform mean. What is the length of the equal to the number of unit friends equal to the number of rows in the EF equal to 1 or equal to 1. What do you
Question number 7, students. What is the length of the output?
Any answers, students?
Let's wait for 10 more seconds.
Okay. Panther is saying B. Okay. Any more? Here, I guess only Panther and Drugesh are active. Yeah, yeah, Milan got it. Any more answers? Drugesh B. Yeah, correct. So B is the correct answer. Equal to the number of rows in DF. Good, very good. So let's proceed further with question 8. Sir.
Yes, question 8.
Yes. So what does question 8 says is Boolean indexing. We are having a code which says as DF cars in which we are accessing type of the cars equals to SUV in price is in lakhs equals to 25. So what could happen? The SUV price updates safely, raise a setting with copy warning, updates a temporary object, not the original frame, or both B and C. So please do think and give the answer. What it might give a result, sorry, as an output. B and
And
C. Any more answers? Option D. Option D. Yeah, yeah, got it, got it. Yeah, any more answers, students? D, D, D. Yeah, yeah, correct, correct, Durgesh and Milan. Correct. Option D, both B and C is correct. So proceeding further with question 9, what is it says is which statement is true about pandas ranking and sorting? Read the options below and give the answer.
students, you are doing well. Great, go ahead.
Sorry.
We will try to cover 20 questions, right? Oh?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, let's see how students are participating. Based on that interest, we'll see.
Students, what's the answer? Durgesh is saying C. Okay. Any more answers? Durgesh, read the question. Which statement is true about Panda's ranking? Only C is correct? Anyways, I'll give an answer because it's taking a bit of longer time. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. All the statements about Panda's ranking and sorting are okay. So proceeding further with question 10. What happened when you do this? Okay, you have been given a code. You have been given a code. Try to read the code and according to the options, please give the answer. Question 10. Actually, try to finish it as quick as you can do it because rest all the questions are need to be solved. There is a not much MCQ questions. You need to solve the questions. Option D. Okay. Any more? Okay, yeah. Option D is correct. Both B and C. Let's go for question 11th. What does it says is re-index 321. What happens if DF has index 1, 2, 3? Try to solve this question. That's good. Question 11. In question 9, what if the data frame is already shorted? In question 9, always change the order. DF prime never does. Yeah, actually, it depends on the question. If it has been already shorted, you just need to tick the answers accordingly. It will tell if the thing will be already shorted. It will mention in the exam. Students, any answers? Option A. Any more? Any more options? Students, any more answers, please? Or shall we proceed for the next question?
Let's go to the
I
next one.
think we should. Yeah, option A is correct. Yeah, Milan, A is correct. Let's go with next question. Question 2, what does it say is if D means if cars, what happens if you run? There's a condition which says if price is in lakhs is greater than 15, print expensive. It is a easy question for sure. Let's try. quick students, so you shouldn't take much time for this if else condition questions. It's a basic logic question, conditioning questions. Students, answers, please, else I'll proceed further with next question. Sir, shall we go?
Yes, yes. Value error, we are getting answer C.
Okay, C, value error. Yeah, correct. C, value error. Correct.
We are
Proceeding
expecting
further with,
gold from you, okay? Milan.
yeah.
Good. Let's go to next one.
Proceeding further with, yeah, yeah. Proceeding further with question 13. What does it say is we are having a code which says set index, brand, and type. So according to the options, please give an answer. Question 13, answer please. Okay, there is no answer. I guess you are not interested, so we'll not proceed further with much questions.
So let's do one thing.
Hmm. Yes,
We
sir. Yes,
will,
sir.
okay, we are getting answer D, but we will complete till 15 today.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah, and rest
Sir,
of
if
others will
yeah,
be, I mean, sharing with them offline. They can do it.
okay, okay, sir. Yeah,
So D is the
yeah.
answer.
Correct answer. Let's proceed for question 14. What does it says is which of the following statement is true about in place equals true in pandas? A is if sorry, it always avoids creating a new object. B, it sometimes create a copy internally and then assigns back. C, guarantees lower memory usage. D, if modifies the object directly in C level memory. So please do give a correct answer. Got the question?
Let's wait for 20 seconds, 20 to 30
Okay,
seconds.
okay, sure, sure, sir, sure. We are getting an answer as B. Yeah, B is the correct answer. Sir, let's proceed with next question. Question 15.
Yes, yes.
So here we are having two series, series 1 and series 2. What we are doing is we are adding up say S1 and S2. So what would be the answer? question 15. Sir, question 15 is going on.
Yes, yes. Just a minute. Just a
Yeah, yeah.
minute. Yeah. Now please type your answer, beta. C. C.
C. Okay. Any more? I guess, Milan, you are the only one who is giving answer. Okay, yeah, it is correct.
Great. Good.
Okay.
Okay. So, anyways,
Yes,
and
yes, sir.
viewer, all the viewer who are live right now, watching the live video. Anyways, we are stopping here by
Okay.
looking to your interest. But if you are interested, definitely we will forward this more questions in offline mode so that you can make a practice. Meanwhile, we are not moving forward right now. But if you are having any doubts or queries, you feel free to write in the chat box. I really thank Om Bhut. Probably I feel that they are tired actually because so
Yeah.
many activities are going
So,
on.
okay.
So let them uh, give some free time so that they can spend time with their family.
Sure, sure. Definitely.
And uh, anyways, we will share this questions in offline mode so that they can refer later on and uh, prepare themselves for the exam. So I thank you, Om, that you
Thank you
spent
very much, sir.
your valuable time for this live session. I thank you
Thank
all
you
the
very much.
viewers that you are actively participating here. If you like these sessions, please give some good positive feedback to Om. Show some love there, and thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Hope tomorrow
Definitely.
you all will be active much in a much
Yeah.
energetic way.
So tomorrow there will be last week revision, week 4. Thereafter, there will not be any live session or doubt solving session, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we are going to organize, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Week 4. Okay, okay. So tomorrow, week 4. Okay. So if you are interested, and if please, I really invite you all to come there and before coming, please at least look at on the week 4 so that you can give some doubt or you can provide it over here so that we can resolve this. Done. So with this love, good night, everyone. Thank you so much, Om. Uh,
Thank you very
See
much,
you
sir.
tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You can leave the session after you. I will leave. You can showcase
Okay.
some love here. You can put your suggestions or feedback in the chat box.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
dear.
you.
Thank you, dear. Take rest. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course, Milan. Thanks for positive feedback. Thank you, dear. Please come and join tomorrow, and we are expecting gold from you. Do hard work and come with the good preparation for a week 4 so that you can ask your doubt or want something more guidance. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, bye bye. Good night. Take care.